In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move objects to back/front in Power BI Desktop. If you've ever had two visuals overlapping or a text box hiding behind a chart, this quick technique will help you control which item sits on top and which one moves behind, so your report looks clean and intentional. Start by clicking on the visual you want to change the arrangement of. A visual can be a bar chart, a card, a slicer, a shape, or a text box, anything you've placed on the report canvas. You'll know it's selected when you see the border and handles around it. Make sure you have the exact item you want, especially if several are close together. Next, go to the Format tab on the ribbon at the top of Power BI Desktop. The ribbon is the horizontal bar across the top of the window, and the Format tab appears when you have a visual selected. This tab gathers tools that help you control how things look and sit on the page. Inside the Format tab, look for the arrangement options. These are the controls that set the layer order of your visuals. Think of your report as a stack of transparent sheets. The arrangement options determine which sheet is on top and which is underneath. From here, you can click Bring Forward or Send Back. Bring Forward moves the selected visual one step closer to the front of the stack. Send Back moves it one step farther behind. If your visual is deeply buried under others, you can click the button multiple times to keep moving it forward or back until it lands exactly where you want it. If you don't see a change after clicking once, it might already be at the top or bottom of the stack, so a few extra clicks can help confirm its position. As you adjust, keep an eye on how labels, legends, and slicers overlap. Arrangement doesn't change the data or the formatting inside the visual. It only affects which item is layered above or below. If the change isn't what you expected, you can always undo using your standard undo command. And there you go. With a quick selection, a visit to the Format tab, and a simple click on Bring Forward or Send Back, you can control exactly how your report elements stack and ensure your layout looks polished. That's all.